2 years ago, I was a corporate pilot, and then I had a stroke and lost my career. Rather than wallow in self-pity, I bought a boat and set off to sail around the world. Of course, I brought the puppy dogs along and somehow convinced a beautiful girl to join me. Along the way, we've had some great adventures and seen some amazing things. This journey would not be possible without viewers and patrons like you. So please check out sailingdoodles.com to find out how you can help.
Alright, we're at Marina de La Paz and we want to take the dinghy out today, but the problem is the motor's here. We got the dinghy down over there. So we got to get the motor onto the dinghy. Normally, we would just lower the dinghy straight down to the boat, but we can't do that. We're going to lower it down to my hands and I will carry it over there and hopefully not drop it. But if we drop it, it's on film. So, and if you're wondering why the motor's running, we have to run the motor about an hour a day just to for the refrigerator, because it runs off a compressor that's on the engine. So one more. There you go. Okay, swing it out. All right, we have some guests on the boat today. Woo! Some of Laura's friends. We've got Maverick and Goose, which you know.
Friends from Alaska.
Friends from Alaska. This is Sam, also known as Sam Squatch.
Sam Squatch.
Sam Squatch. And Kara.
Yay!
There you go. Yeah, Kara still lives in Alaska and you live in Colorado, Denver?
Yep.
So they're here for a week, so get used to hanging out with them for a little while.
Woo!
Now we are gonna go for a dinghy ride. Hey boys, you ready to go for a ride? Go for a ride? Oh, I think he does.
Woo-hoo! Let's go! Time for the dinghy. The pups are always ready for a dinghy ride.
It was about a 2-mile dinghy ride up to one of our favorite spots, so it took us a little bit of time.
But once there, the pups were ready to play.
And the girls were ready to dance.
Alright, we are here today in the Bay of La Paz. We're going for the first time scuba diving off our own boat. So our lovely instructors, Ely and Janice, came all the way from Cabo to hang out with us.
Hello! Hi guys!
So we also have some other friends here. We have Warren. Hello. Casey's up there looking for whale sharks. And then we have Kara and Sam Squatch.
Woo!
So it'll be a fun day out on the water. It's a little choppy, but we're looking forward to some scuba diving.
The closest dive spot to La Paz was a little rock called Rocalopos.
It was actually quite crowded getting 6 people into their dive gear on our boat.
Unfortunately, the visibility was pretty poor, but we made the best of it.
There were still plenty of things to see. Try and spot the scorpion fish in this clip.
Alright guys, to a fun day of sort of successful scuba diving.
Yeah, it was a dive. Nobody died.
Nobody died, so cheers, cheers.
After our dive, it was the boys' time to have some fun.
We were taking them to shore to our good friend and patron, Brett's birthday party.
And the girls were definitely having their fun too.
Quit shaking me. The truce. Yeah.
The next day, we set sail with the gang for Cabo.
Yay! Guys, 18 hours or so to Cabo.
Let's do this.
Vamos. Cheers.
Cheers.
Here we go. Come on,
Here we
Sandstorm.
go.
It's about 130 miles all the way around.
The bolt that holds the cars on the track actually came loose, so it took some finagling to get the sail up.
Cheers to a successful sail.
Cheers. Cheers.
Salud.
Salud.
It felt like we were innocent, just another tent.
Is the little nut that keeps the cars from backing out.
Oh, move. Oh, okay.
And so now we got to put it all back on.
I'm in too deep. I'm in too deep.
With the sails down, we are motoring back into Cabo.
I'm in too deep. I'm in too deep.
All right, what was your favorite part?
My favorite part of the trip? Yeah, the glowing, the ghost dolphin. I love it. It was amazing. It's like this fireball just jumping out of the water, and you can see their shape just like amazing. Like it's like being in Avatar.
Yeah.
Really, honestly, amazing.
I can't really be original after that.
No. Just say it. What was
The
it?
ghost dolphin,
Yeah.
amazing. I didn't even know that would existed.
The dolphins were amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Seeing all that at night, it was incredible. Thank
Can you describe it?
Yeah. I describe it like it was a moment, like incredible moment. Like I start to see like birds this glowing on the water, and then I was not sure if it was it was just me.
Yeah.
Then I told you, and then yeah, and then it was incredible. We were all there, like just looking the shapes of the dolphins, and yeah, it was incredible, like a torpedo.
Ghost dolphins.
Yeah,
Ghost
dolphins.
Thank you. Sure. So ghost dolphins, they do exist. We gave Laura grief one night because she saw ghost dolphins, but she basically it's the bioluminescence was really off the chart, and we could see our wake. It was really amazing seeing that, and then all of a sudden we saw a bunch of dolphins swim up to the boat. It was really cool, and you could see them glowing, and they jump out of the water and glow, and it was just really cool.
Thank you for watching another episode, and please check out our podcast.
Also, give us a like and subscribe. And this channel is funded by patrons and viewers like you.